Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are looking at the growth rate of sunflowers, where every 7 days we are marking the height of the sunflowers, and we are told that the growth rate from day 14 to day 35 is nearly constant. And so therefore we can model it with a linear equation. We're asked which of these options is the best modeling of the situation. And so to find a linear equation, you have to find the slope and you have to find the y-intercept. But we notice out of our 4 options, they all have very different slopes. So if we find the slope and say it's close to 6.8, we know that our answer is going to be C. We don't have to check what the y-intercept is. So how do you calculate the slope? Well, we are modeling the height h over time, t days after it begins to grow. So the slope is going to be the rate of change. So this is going to be the change in height, right, where delta is just the symbol for change, over the change in time, which for this situation, we're looking from day 14 to day 35. So the height on day 35, 131, minus the height on day 14 is 36.36. So this is the change in height over the period, right? And then the change in time, well, day 35 minus day 14, so 35 minus 14, and this is going to give us 94.64 over 21. So what does this mean? This is the change in height, so over the time period, it changed 94.64 centimeters. And what was that period? Well, it was a period of 21 days. And when you plug this in your calculator, roughly 4.507 is your slope. And so therefore, which of our answers models this situation the best? Well, B, where the slope is 4.5, is obviously very close to this and very different from all the others, so we know B is our final answer.